Just want to do a quick review of this snap-on ratchet, flex head ratchet. It's the SHLF80A. Just want to go over it so you can see it better. It's really hard to get pictures of stuff like this, so I've noticed that these videos do a lot better showing the condition it is used. It has scratches, you know, and everything like that. But the good thing is, and I'm going to try to show you, the flex head's not floppy at all. You can see it stands up by itself. See how it's standing up by itself. I'm not manipulating that. See, it works like it's supposed to right there. And if I can show you this, if it will show up, you can probably get an idea for it. This feels really good. It's a fine tooth ratchet. I'm turning this. It's got a really good quality feel to it. Fine tooth. I don't know. I would imagine you can probably hear that. I hope. It's clicking along, but I mean, it's just in a whole different ballpark from a cheap ratchet. Okay, so that's when it's on the off position. I'll switch it over here. Go the other direction, same thing. Nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with this one. It's a good one that won't last long. These sell quick. And it's approximately, well, I'm a little surprised, but anyway, it's kind of an odd number, but 25 and a half inches, approximately about 25 and a half inches long, you know, top to bottom. And I'll turn it over for you just real quickly. Let it focus there. You can see it's got some wear on the butt end, but it's pretty shiny. But it does, you know, it does show scratches all up and down the shaft there. Nothing wrong with this ratchet at all. Works good.